Hey geologists and drillers, don't scroll past. Tired of weak, slow, hard-to-work core drills? Check out this full hydraulic core drilling rig. Full hydraulic drive, strong power, big torque, infinitely variable speed power head, core recovery rate up to 98%, complete cores, accurate data, tracked mobility handles tough terrain with ease. Works for soft rock and hard rock, versatile for all jobs. Perfect.